Ako naman ay very excited ngayong gabi. Why? Dahil ang makakasama natin is someone so close to me. Okay? So this person is not only a business partner, but also my mentor and my friend. Of course, no? If not of this man na nagtyagang magturo sa akin 13 years ago, I would still be the same Rose. But this man, no? This man was the one who helped me become Rosie. Actually, siya po nagpangalan sa akin ng Rosie, and this man unleashed my highest potential. So, ang laki po naging impact niya sa buhay ko, ang laki po ng tiyagang ginawa niya to help me develop my skills. Okay? So, with 12 years of experience in network marketing industry, siya ngayon ay isang business owner, but still a network builder, no other than my upline, my mentor, my coach, Cliff Anthony Santillan. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin.
Yun, okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay. Thank you very much, Director Rosie. Thank you very much. Nice. It's very nice, and I'm very happy na I'm here. Okay. And saan mang sulok ng mundo yung this online presentation, I greet you to the best of my ability. Happy sa lahat. Okay? I'm very excited. Grabe energy. Grabe energy.
Naninibago ako kasi kasi syempre, first time natin magkasama sa screen.
Yes, tama.
After so long. And this time, me hosting for you. Noon, ikaw for me. Ngayon naman, ako for you.
Tama. Bilog talagang bola, no? Tama.
Baka meron kang mga kakilala dyan sa ating mga viewers na gusto mong batiin habang tayo'y nagsisimula pa. Si Ate Charlotte is nandyan, one of your direct.
Yes, our newest member, fresh talaga, from Cagayan de Oro City. Grabe.
Yes. Okay. So eto, just for everyone's kaalaman, no. Coach Cliff and I we've been friends for 13 years now, since 2010.
Yes, 2010.
2010. So kaibigan kami, pero not actually na kaibigan kaagad talaga ha. Syempre, ni-recruit muna niya ako. Ayan, binola-bola muna. Tapos, natiwala
naman, at the beginning talaga, hindi naman as personal friends. No, it didn't start that way. Ano lang talaga, first parang prospect. Because ang nangyari kasi is, ang nag-invite kay Director Rosie is, was her cousin. Tama?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
They invite siya, and she, at that time, she was still in Japan. And sabi ng pinsan niya na, upline, meron akong pinsan na nandun sa Japan. And I think she's very good in this kind of business, sabi ng pinsan niya. So, na-intriga naman, and that started the journey with Director Rosie. The rest is history na.
The rest is history na.
Hindi nga tayo nag-meet personally. Tama?
Yeah,
it was just online.
Online. All were done online. Yung mentoring natin, all were done online. At sabi nga ni Jem Palad, shout out kay Coach Cliff Anthony Santillan. Eto si Coach Jem. Kilala ko.
Hello, partner. Partner Jem, long time no see.
Yeah, and of course si Jake. Si Jake, no? Anood tayo. Sabi niya, Jake, shout out, up clip. Ayan. Si
Partner Jake.
Yes. Diba? Alright. Ay, si Louie Pure, ang ating isang CEO-ng kaibigan. Nanonood din. Hi. Client mo yan Client mo yan sa business mo.
Tama.
Okay.
Valued customer natin yan.
Yes. Alright. So, now, I think we need to go to the topic for tonight, no? Our topic for tonight is about your 12 years of experience in multi-level marketing, no?
Exactly, tama.
And of course, right now, isa ka ng totoong negosyante. You already established business, which is the digital printing Ano nga ba yun?
Yung way back in 2019, naisipan ko na yun at the time na what if mag-start ng traditional business? Okay?
Mm-mm.
Pero pinagpaliban ko lang muna because yung passion natin is nasa network building talaga. However, pandemic happened. And
Yeah.
naghanap tayo ng mga alternative na mga paraan kung paano ma-sustain yung income natin because whether we like it or not, bumaba talaga yung income when it comes sa network marketing because hindi natin ma-meet on a
Mm-mm.
face-to-face yung mga
Mm-mm.
prospects natin. Even how much we want na i-mentor, i-motivate yung ating mga business partners, we could not do that. Bawal lumabas, sabi nga ng isang sabi nga nila bawal lumabas, okay? So
Lumabas.
ang nangyari, sabi ko may skills naman tayo when it comes to graphic design. Why not umpisahan natin ng digital printing? And so in 2022 at 2021 established natin yung Cliffhanger Digital Printing Services. Okay?
Yes.
So yun ang naumpisa natin and hanggang ngayon tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Pero ito yung
Printing.
ito yung gusto kong marinig ng ating mga viewers, no? How come na ikaw isa ng business owner tapos ngayon nandito ka na naman sa network marketing. So gusto ko diyan tayo mag-focus ngayon. The difference about having a traditional business and doing the network marketing, what's the big difference, okay? Pero syempre, bago yan, scroll tayo, dun tayo sa pinaka-first question. Are you ready sa ating Q&A? Hindi ko tatanungin kung single ka pa kasi alam kong
Tama.
alam kong taken ka na and I know the good news kasi nga, di ba, close tayo. So, we will do the formal question and answer portion. Okay, with the help of our ating operator, si Ma'am Christine. Our first question na gusto ko din, iba to talaga sa iyo ng maayos para yung mga nanonood sa atin. Kasi we both know how big your organization was in our previous company. Alam namin yon, alam ko yon. I was one of them. And I know your leadership. I know who you are. I know what kind of man you are. Alam ko na isa lang ako sa napakarami mong natulungan. So sobrang dami namin. But you stayed humble. You stayed as the same Cliff na nakilala namin from the beginning. Never kang nagkaroon ng malaking ulo kasi mahirap maglakad, malaki ang ulo, no?
Hydrocephalic. Mahirap yun.
Sabi ko na nga ba, tatawa lang tayo ng tatawa dito eh. Alright, so the first question was, what's your story and paano ka napasok sa multi-level marketing industry?
Good question.
Yeah. And of course, meron kang slide for that to at least show the public about your story. Okay, go ahead.
Actually, I was invited sa multi-level marketing industry way back pa in 2007. I was invited, sabi na nag-invite sa akin, Cliff, gusto mo bang yumaman? Okay, yun naman talaga ang pang-invite, tama, di ba? So sabi sa akin, gusto mo bang yumaman? Eh sabi ko naman sa kanya, pilosopo tayo, pilosopong tasyo, paano ako yayaman? Ikaw mismo, hindi naman mayaman. Which is a fair question, tama, di ba? Paano nga ako yayaman? Yung i-invite sa akin, hindi nga mayaman. So sabi ko sa kanya, okay, wag na lang natin pahabain. Wag mo na lang akong i-invite yan because at that time, I was working as an employee in Makati. For 5 years, I was working in Makati and okay naman ang salary. Okay naman ang livelihood. Okay? So, sa mga ganitong klaseng business, I'm very, very, very much negative. Hindi ako naniniwala sa sistema na ganito. That was in 2007. Okay? And years passed. Actually, 2 years and a few months had passed. Binalikan niya ako, sabi niya, Cliff, kumusta ka naman? And sabi ko naman na, okay, ganito pa rin. Which is, totoo naman. Ganun pa rin. Okay? So sabi niya, Cliff, alam mo, merong blessings na nangyari sa amin. If you want, okay lang naman, ipakita namin sa'yo. And then, yun nga, nung nakita ko, yung nangyari sa kanila, doon nag-umpisa na medyo, maybe, just a little bit, maybe merong kernel of truth sa sinasabi nila. Because ano pala nangyari? Dati nakatila lang sila sa Leverisa, which is a semi-squatters area dun sa 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 Manila. Okay? Sa Pasig. Tama ba? Sa Pasig. Oh. Pasay pala, I'm sorry, sa Pasay. And ngayon, after a few years of doing that business, ang nangyari, nakabili sila ng sariling kondo. Okay, from squatters nakabili ng kondo, and then sa walang-wala, nakabili ng sasakyan. To make it short, okay, may nangyari sa kanila. And me, nasabi ko na, ganun pa rin. So sabi ko, why not gawin ko ito? Okay, why not gawin ko ito? Because if wala akong gagawin, ganun pa rin. Sila, merong ginawa, may nangyari. So,
Yes.
ginamitan ng logic, ginamitan ng reason, sabi ko, I have to take a chance. At yun, na-invite ako sa MLM industry. Nabuksan yung mata ko, nabuksan yung isipan ko, that there's a much better way. Maraming maraming paraan kung paano umasenso, kumita, yumaman, na legal, moral, ethical. Because kahit balik-balik ta rin man natin ang mundo, never naging masama magdagdag ng kitaan, basta lang legal, basta lang moral, basta lang ethical, na wala tayong sinasagasaang ibang tao.
Yes.
Tama? So yun nag-umpisa, and the rest is history. Tama.
Yeah. At yung sa picture mo na yan yung mga...
Oo. Yung nag-uumpisa pa tayo.
Okay. Medyo sa Mildibi ka pa dyan, no?
Medyo slim pa. May wala pang mga kilos na nandyan. Okay. So, yun, yung sistema kasi, it's not a get-rich scheme.
Yeah.
This business of ours is not a get-rich scheme. You have to do the system. You have to put in the hours. You have to put in everything that you have to do in order to get your dreams. So, if you have to do public speaking, then you have to do it. If you have to lead people, you have to do it. If you have to mentor someone in order to succeed, you have to do it. And I fell in love with the system. Sabi nga ng isang mentor ko na lahat ng mga ayaw mong gawin, you will fall in love with them. Kasi, gagawin mo ang lahat, makuha mo lang yung mga pangarap mo.
Yes.
Una, ayaw mong makipag-usap yung mga strangers approach. Ayaw mong makipag-usap na hindi mo kilala. Tama? Anong nangyari? Kailangan mong makipag-usap sa kanila. Kailangan mong makuha yung loob nila. Kailangan mong makuha yung puso nila, yung isipan nila, para ma-communicate mo ano yung pangarap na ano yung mangyayari at ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanila. Yes. Tama, di ba? Oo. So, I fell in love with the system and I've been doing it for the past 2 years. Ayaw kong makipag-usap ng maraming tao kasi mahiyain tayo. Pero I fell in love with talking to many different kinds of people. Bakit? Kasi from the lowest to the highest, lahat naman tayo equal, pero lahat merong mga unique na mga what you call this, meron tayong mga unique na perspective na kaya na hindi mo nakikita pero nakita na ng iba, na-experience na ng iba, kaya ang ginagawa na nila is i-share na lang. Give and take, sabi nga, give and take. Okay? So yun, you have to do the system, trainings, mentoring, sharing, lahat. Nadaanan na natin yan. Oo.
Kaya nga sabi ni Jem Palad, naalala ko noon, nung bumalik ka sa Davao, di ka na nakabalik sa Maynila.
Hindi na bumalik. Actually, ang offer lang ng mentor ko at that time was, Cliff, meron tayong grupo sa Davao. Again, at that time, I was in Makati. Cliff, meron tayong grupo sa Davao. Taga Davao ka naman. Why not bisitahin mo yung mga kakilala mo and see what happens? So, pumunta ako umuwi ako ng Davao, dala-dala siguro mga 3 or 4 pairs of shirts and karamihan ng gamit ko nasa Makati pa rin. Umuwi ng Davao at wala na, nandun na. Napako dito sa Davao kasi pabulusok. Nandun na yung momentum. Lumalaki ang grupo. So, you have to apply the principle of striking while the iron is hot. Okay?
Yeah.
Nandun ang opportunity. So, I took the opportunity and from there, Lana, lumaki na ang grupo. Hindi na nakabalik ng Manila. Hindi na.
Sorry ha, pero yung sinabi, yung comment kasi ni Jem, naalala ko noon, bumalik ka ng Davao, di ka na nakabalik ng Maynila. Gusto ko sana sabihin, Jem, thank you for that ha. Kasi parang, naalala ko din, payat pa kami pareho noon eh. Tapos hindi na kami pumayat ulit. Habang lumalaki yung grupo, lumalaki din yung katawan namin. So yun yung pinaka-solid na nangyari.
At least may changes.
Yeah. And of course,
diba?
with your other picture.
Sa journey naman natin, pag ginawa mo ang isang bagay with passion and with buo ang kalooban, ang mangyayari talaga, makakaresulta ka talaga. Kasi yun ang sistema eh. Yun ang sistema. Gagawin mo over and over again, and then you learn from your mistakes, and then you apply yung mga learnings mo. Tama, di ba? So, ang nangyari nito, ginawa natin ng sistema, and nagka-resulta naman. Way back, that was in, I joined the company, the industry, 2009, and then my first result happened in 2013. 2013, yeah. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 years na ginawa ang sistema. It was not overnight. Okay? Mayroon lang ginawa. Okay? And yung ginawa na yun, nagka-resulta, nakabili tayo ng sariling sasakyan. Okay? And that was my first car. And the good thing about that is how many years na gagawin ko as an employee, never yan papasok sa isipan ko na balang araw magkakasasakyan tayo. Oo. But doing the business, multi-level marketing, it took me 4 years and then nagka-resulta. And the blessings were overflowing. Okay? So, nakuha natin yung mga achievements along the way. But the good thing is, i-share ko lang, Director Rosie, ha? The good thing about this, I was recognized as one of the members of the Millionaire Circle, meaning yung accumulated income, lumagpas na ng million, okay? Na-recognize tayo, but ang kagandahan nito, nauna pa si Director Rosie na ma-recognize as a member of the Millionaire Circle.
Yeah.
Anong point ko? Even though ako ang nag-invite, nag-mentor, nag-educate sa kanya about the business, pero hindi pala ito pauna-unahan. Okay? Hindi, it doesn't mean na ako ang nauna, ako ang dapat magka-resulta, ako ang dapat na, no, ang nangyari, si Director Rosie, siya ang na-invite ko, pero siya pa ang nauna na ma-recognize as a member of the Millionaire Circle. Mas nauna siyang nagka-income ng more than 1 million pesos doing the business. Yun ang kagandahan. And I was very, very much blessed. Okay? Walang ounce of jealousy on my heart. Wala. Bakit? Because it was a proud moment for me na isang nobody, someone na ginawa lang ang sistema, nakita sa harap, pinapalakpakan ang isang tao na walang-wala din, pero nandyan na sa harap, nag-motivate, nakilala ng marami, na kumita na ng more than 1 million doing a certain kind of business. And no kinds of award could trump that para sa akin, to see someone na nag-succeed. Kasi pag ang isang tao na tulungan mo nag-succeed, ikaw mismo na tumulong sa kanya will also follow.
Yes, of course.
Isa nga sa mga core principles na pinapractice namin at the time, tulungan mo ang ibang tao kasi ikaw mismo tinutulungan mo yung sarili mo.
Yes, totoo yan.
Help people help themselves and they in turn will help you. Tulungan. This is a people helping people business. So yun, along the way, maraming mga uh, situation na appreciate ko. Na-appreciate ko talaga looking back na grabe pala ang journey na you're not expecting things na ganito pero nangyayari talaga.
Yeah.
Director Rosie is also mas I think after ko nabili yung sasakyan, a few months later, nabili niya rin yung sarili niyang sasakyan. Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Okay? And again, it was again a proud moment for me. And the good thing is, si Director Rosie kasi is someone na yung hindi lang satisfied with an achievement. Kasi overachiever to eh. Overachiever to. So, nakabili ng sasakyan, bumili pa ng sariling bahay. Bumili ng sariling bahay.
Parang ako yung hot seat ngayon. Dapat ikaw.
Kasi part of my journey yan eh. Not only you. Kasi within our group at that time, we created many people na naging members din na naging members din ng Millionaire Circle. Nakabili din sariling sasakyan. Okay? Pero para kasi sa akin, one of the crown achievement is yung ikaw, Director Rosie, is nandun sa yung tinitingala talaga. Okay? Kasi it means na yung sistema is working.
Gumagana. Yeah.
Gumagana. Oo.
Yeah. And I was the first person naman din talaga na parang ako yung naging trial mo.
Sabi ko, kung ang sistema nag-work kay Director Rosie, kopyahin ko na lang yung sistema, yung blueprint na yun, at i-instill ko sa mga leaders ko, sa ibang leaders, ang nangyari kay Director Rosie, yun din mangyayari sa iba. Tama?
Yes, it's true.
So yun, which is true. Oo.
Yeah.
Nangyari talaga. Okay?
Alright.
So, very, talaga.
Okay, pero ako yung hot seat.
Ha?
Ako yung hot seat. Sabi ni Jack Mac, idol ko to si Coach Cliff Anthony Santillan. Actually, hindi lang yung grupo natin yung tinutulungan mo. You were helping even cross lines. Your heart to help even from other groups were so big. Kaya nga, minana ko yan sa'yo eh. Yung hindi maging madamot sa pagtulong, kumbaga, kung simpleng, kasi for me, hindi ka naman naging madamot, turuan ako eh. So bakit ako magdadamot, turuan din yung iba? Kahit hindi beneficial sa akin, kahit hindi ako kumita sa kanila. Kasi in that way, I am developing myself. I am developing my skills.
Exactly,
Tama?
exactly.
Sa'yo ko yan naman.
Yes, isa din sa natutunan ko is when it comes sa company-wide goal to expand, okay? Hindi kaya yan ng isang leader. Hindi kaya lang ng isang tao. It takes a whole community of people working together para umunlad at mag-expand ang isang company. Okay? So if you're passionate enough sa company mo, bakit mo ikikip lahat ng for yourself kung bibilis naman yung negosyo if you share it with others. Tama, di ba? Kasi kung ganito lang, mas mabilis kung marami. Yun ang yung i-distill mo yung principle na yun, mas mabilis kung marami. Okay? And so, marami ang grupo, nagtutulungan, hindi mo tinitingnan kung crossline mo yan o hindi, because if tutulungan mo sila, there will come a time that they will also help you. Yes, oo. So, kung yun ang principle mo, hindi naman always na nasa taas ang isang ang status o yung position, tama? Kasi sabi kanina, bilog ang mundo. Okay? Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Pero kung let's just say, naka-create ka ng relationship on a personal level, even those people na monetarily hindi ka naman kikita kasi nga cross-lines mo o nasa ibang grupo, tama di ba? Even, yung ganun, if you help them, even if you're at your lowest, how much more natutulungan ka kung nasa taas ka na?
Yes.
Okay?
Totoo.
So yun, yung ganun lang na principle will go a long, 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 long way. Ganun ang ginagawa ko. Oo. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Kaya kahit ngayon, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko naman sila mga kagrupo. They're not under my team. Pero yung relationship on a personal level, nandun pa rin.
Yes.
Oo.
Doon natin nakikita na isa kang mabuting tao. And of course, that last picture is, yan na yung moment na ano.
Yun. Oo, oo. Yun. Nung na-invite
dyan?
na ako, no other than, ang nag-invite sa'yo, no other than si Director Rosie mismo.
Yeah.
Nakita niya, it came full circle because dati, I was the one na I was the one na nag-introduce ng business sa kanya kasi nga yung pinsan niya hindi naman ganun marunong mag-explain. Tama? Kasi medyo shy type si partner Melody. Okay? And so, the one being given the responsibility na i-kwento o i-share, i-present yung business is ako. And now, it came full circle because siya naman ang nag-invite sa akin, siya naman ang nag-explain sa akin, and ako na naman ngayon ang kumukulit sa kanya kung anong gagawin. Okay? So, ganun lang talaga ang buhay. Ganun talaga ang buhay. So, ang nangyari at that time, with my We Evolve family, out of the blue, sinabi lang ni Director Rosie, or Santi, daan kami sa shop mo. Okay, sinong kayo? Sinong kayo? Meron akong mga bigati na mga kaibigan. Okay, sino sila? Sino sila? Hindi wala kasi at that time wala akong idea. Okay? And nung pumunta na sila, sa baba kasi merong milk tea na shop sa baba ng shop, sa printing shop. So, doon kami, and no other than our Vice President, si VP Jogi, ang nag-explain ng business sa akin. So, parang it's very humbling to experience na itong mga tao na to in the industry may very, 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 very successful, hugely successful na mga individuals, and yet they're still the one who is explaining personally the business sa'yo. Yung old school talaga na magkatabi kayo na may laptop and then ini-explain one-on-one kung ano yung sistema, and then you're also free to ask them kung mayroon ka mga questions. So, grabe na yan. And then, after that, ang nag-closing, ang nag-motivate pa is no other than our chairman. Okay?
Yes.
Si Sir Roy. So, grabe talaga yung feeling ko at the time. And I said to myself na if these people are willing to reach out to explain the business sa ganitong paraan, then who am I na i-close yung mind ko?
Yes.
And the number one, isa din sa huge reason bakit I decided to join We Evolve is because of Director Rosie mismo. Kasi naniniwala naman ako na hindi niya naman ako i-invite sa isang bagay na ikakasira ko. Tama, di ba? We've known each other for more than years and years and years, and then i-invite niya ako sa isang bagay na hindi niya pinaniwalaan with all her heart and mind. Hindi naman siguro yun mangyayari. So, I said, okay, tingnan natin. At ano natin, na open up yung mind natin. So, nakita ko na the system, We Evolve, is really, 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 really good and excellent yung sistema. It reminded me of many opportunities na maganda na sometimes hindi natin pinapansin pero nasa harap na pala natin. Okay?
Yes.
If you're willing to do the system, kung you're giving it a chance na gawin. Okay? So, because of that, a few months later, nag-join na tayo, and then we're doing the business. At first, as of now, on a part-time basis lang muna. Because I'm in the middle of turning it over, itong printing business, full-time to my fiancé. Okay? Kasi nga, meron tayong mission. Meron tayong mission na gagawin for the next few months, actually for the next few years, na lahat ng focus at lahat ng resources natin is nandun lang talaga. Maybe malalaman natin as time goes on.
Sa susunod na kabanata.
Sa susunod na kabanata. And this is a continuing part of my MLM journey.
Yes.
Okay? It will come in this in We Evolve. Ang gagawin ko is within We Evolve. Okay?
Yes.
And nandun pa rin yung principle of tulungan. So,
yes, of course.
hindi mo na i-ano natin. So, for the moment,
ang pangit maging madamot. Parang ang pangit maging
tama.
Oo.
Exactly.
Ang pangit maging madamot.
So, yung feeling yung abundance mentality. There's plenty of things to go around. Okay? You don't have to i-anuhin mo lahat. Hindi. Marami, there's plenty for everyone. Abundance mentality lang talaga.
Yes.
Okay? So, soon magiging full-time na tayo. Actually, in just a few weeks, magiging full-time as yung pag-turnover ng negosyo will be completed. Then, I'm mag-full-time na talaga. Okay?
Yes, I am excited for that. Okay, so isang question pa lang tayo, pero parang very wide na yung ating na-share, no? Pero, of course, let's move to the second question, which I think nasagot mo na din kanina, pero sige, sagutin mo lang ulit. Bakit ka na-join? Bakit nga ba?
Again, na-join tayo sa We Evolve. It's precisely because nakikita ko that we are on the cusp. Anong Tagalog ng cusp? Yung nasa tayo, yung kung may hump, paano na tayo? Yung tawag niyan is pabulusok, patawid. Oo. And kung ganun kasi, ang feeling ko niyan is there's a challenge and a huge opportunity na kung sakyan mo lang yung momentum na yan, okay, wala kang choice, madadala ka kung saan yung momentum na yun. Tama, di ba? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay? I experienced this kind of feeling nung nag-uumpisa tayo sa dating company. Okay? Na-feel ko yun. Yung excitement, yung passion, yung opportunity, yung vision, nandun. Na-experience natin ngayon.
Yung parang ready to accept the new challenges.
Yes, oo.
Tanggapin yung mga bagong challenges na yun. Kasi ako, that was the feeling
exactly.
I experienced.
Okay. Meron kasing yung situation na nagawa mo na yung isang bagay na stable na siya. Your the right time is yung iba na naman ang tingnan. Iba na naman yung i-focus kasi yung previous nagawa mo na. Okay? It's time na iba na naman ang magpatuloy. Kasi naumpisahan mo na. And that's what I'm experiencing right now with We Evolve. We're on the right track, we're in the right time, we're in the right moment na sakyan yung momentum ng We Evolve.
Yes.
Okay? Oo. Kasi, ay grabe. Yung nakikita ko lang sa not only sa local market but also the international market, the system, kung alam mo, the system really works. Maganda ang produkto, maganda ang sistema, maganda ang marketing plan, maganda ang management, maganda ang sistema, maganda ang overall na nakikita mo. Bakit?
Isama mo na to.
Ha?
Isama mo na to.
Kasama, maganda pa ang nag-invite. Char. Okay. Maganda naman lahat. Okay. So, yun ang nakita ko bakit I decided na to become involved with We Evolve. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you
Uh,
so much. Kasi sa akin naman, sa akin naman, parang ang hirap gawin naman sa akin na you're the one who introduced me to network marketing.
yes.
Ikaw nag-guide sa akin, ikaw nagtiyagang turuan ako. Parang ang pangit naman na nandito ako, nakita kong napakaganda ng magiging future ng We Evolve, tapos hindi kita isasama. Parang, by that time na sinabi ko sa by hook or by crook, teka halika, sama ka dito. Saka mo na aralin kasi alam kong matalino ka naman. Magigets mo din yan, di ba? Parang gano'n naman sa akin na by hook or by crook, ah, samahan mo ako dito. Kasi
Mm-mm.
this company, maybe right now, hindi pa siya ganun kumbaga, ka easy yung takbo.
Mm.
Pero alam ko, through us, with the help of me, ikaw, at iba pang mga leaders na nanonood ngayon, nakasama natin, sa mga tulungang gagawin natin, We Evolve will become great. This company
Yes.
will help a lot of people. This company will become a big name. Alam mo yun? So, ayun yung nakikita ko. Okay?
Exactly. Oo. Tama talaga. And again, this business naman is a relationship business.
Yeah.
This is relational. Oo. So, some people will join because of the product. Some people will join because of the system. Gusto nila ng kumita, extra income. But some people will also join because of the relationship that you've created all through your life. Okay, so dito, I believe na marami pa ang magagandang mangyayari. Okay?
Yes.
Just like any yung seed, ang Tagalog ng seed.
Buto.
Oh, buto. Okay?
Liso, buto.
Liso sa Bisaya. Okay? Pag yung seed na yun, aalagaan mo, okay? Lagyan mo ng fertilizer, lagyan mo ng tubig, a fresh environment in which to thrive. Tama? It will grow strong, it will grow large, it will expand, it will go to places na hindi mo alam na pwede pala niyang mapuntahan, and then mag-fruits, and then you will enjoy the fruits of your labor. Yun ang
Yes.
na feel ko with We Evolve. Okay? I'm very much thankful for my experiences with my previous company because dun tayo na natuto.
Nahasa.
But
Yeah.
yes, exactly. I'm very much thankful for the company. But it came to a point na yung excitement nawala. But I believe there are many factors like yung pandemic, okay, and then maraming factors, but when this opportunity came, sabi ko sa sarili ko na it's high time na balikan yung kung saan yung passion mo.
Yeah.
Okay? Kung saan ka excited na gumising, 'di ba? Kung saan ka na nakikita mo na marami na namang tao na pwede mong ma-meet. Marami kang tao na pwede kang mag-learn ng bago. Okay? So yun ang dala-dala ko ngayon.
And our friend Melody Salcedo, my pinsan, may upline is watching.
Kung wala si Melody, wala din si Director Rosie.
Yeah, we want you here. So, I'll talk to you sooner. Okay, so next question natin. Pangatlong question pa tayo. So next question natin is, eto sa tingin mo, bakit ka magtatagal dito sa We Evolve?
Good.
I know you. Hindi ka salawahan. Ikaw ay talagang nagtatagal even in relationship, no? You do everything to keep it. Bakit ka magtatagal dito?
Bakit magtatagal sa We Evolve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sa tingin mo?
With my previous company, I've been active for more than 12 years.
Yeah.
Okay? And bakit dito sa We Evolve magtatagal din ako? Because what I will be doing sa previous company is exactly what I will be doing in this company. I will bring again, ano na lang, yung kasabi ko na a while ago, kung maganda ang produkto, kung maganda ang sistema, kung maganda ang management, ang mga may-ari, anong reason ba't hindi magtatagal?
Yes.
Okay? So, marami ang let's just say challenges, okay? Hindi naman talaga natin ma-assure, mag-guarantee 100%. Tama? Kasi wala namang talagang kasiguraduhan. Pero yung percentage is sobrang laki. Okay? Yung wealth of experience na meron tayo, yung gut instinct, ano natin, yung gut instinct natin, nasa, hindi natin ma-explain. Okay? Pero, alam mo sa loob mo na, okay, this company is calling you because it will give you all the things that you want, that you need. Because meron at meron kang pwedeng ibigay and gawin mo lang and lahat ng inaasam-asam mo, makukuha mo. Okay? Kasi ano na, yung skills mo magta-thrive dito, ano yung mga alam mo, mga talents mo, ano yung mga napag-aralan mo, magagamit mo dito. Kung ano yung mga ayaw mo, you will fall in love dito. So yun ang lahat ng mga factors na yun, tataas yung chance na you will be with the company for a long period of time. Kasi hindi naman tayo yung mga, ano sabi nila, yung mga offer na mga, mga offer na yon, yung mga, I personally nandun tayo sa yung gawin mo ang isang bagay kasi happy ka na tama yon at happy ka sa ginagawa mo.
Yes. Kaya kailangan hindi mawala yung happiness. Yung happiness natin sa ginagawa natin. Kailangan yun ang hindi mawala. Kasi hanggat happy tayo sa ginagawa natin, we know we can stay kahit pa gaano kahirap yung challenges.
I believe that. Lalo na kung palaging positive yung nakapaligid sa'yo, palaging tumatawa, palaging smiling. Anong tawag dyan? Hindi ito madali. Okay? So bakit papahirapan mo pa yung why make it harder? Okay?
Yeah,
kasi hindi nga ito madali. So, kung gagawin mo itong business na to, you might as well laugh with it, smile with it. Okay?
Yes.
Diba? Oo. Kasi gagaan at gagaan at gagaan yan. And then time will come that you will be skilled enough na kahit na anuman ang challenges na pupunta sa iyo, alam mo na ang gagawin. Okay?
Yes.
Hindi ka na malulubat. Okay? Kasi alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Okay?
Totoo.
Hindi yan overnight. Pero, again, based on my experience, darating tayo dyan.
Tama.
Alright.
Okay, so ito na, pang-apat na tanong. Okay, so pang-apat na tanong. Kasi dati, di ba, it took you 4 years bago ka nakabili ng sasakyan or bago ka nagkaroon ng result, physical result. Here in WeEvolve, in 2 to 3 years time, sa tingin mo, sino ka na kaya?
Sino na ako? Hopefully, hindi na tataba. No. Joking aside, in 2 to 3 years time, doing the business, I see myself na sobrang laki na ng grupo. Okay?
Yeah.
In 2 to 3 years time, nakikita ko ang sarili ko na hindi lang ako, of course, ang nire-recognize ng company, maraming akong mga leaders na nare-recognize din. Okay? Hindi lang ako yung merong resulta, marami din kami. Hindi lang ako ang dumadaan, nagda-drive, marami kaming nakakaravan.
Yeah.
Okay? Yun. Hindi lang ako yung pumupunta sa ibang lugar, marami kami. Mga leaders and their families. Hindi lang ako yung pumupunta as a tourist sa ibang bansa, marami kami. Kasi nga, isa din sa mga excitement na ano ko is yung mga travel incentives ng company.
Yes.
Ang sarap. Oo. Tama? So, yun ang nakikita ko in 2 to 3 years time.
Mm-mm.
Hindi na, again, wala namang kasiguraduhan, maraming challenges, pero based again on my experience, gawin mo ang sistema, mangyayari naman talaga. It may not take you 2 years, it may not take you 4 years, it may even take you just 1 year. Depende naman talaga sa effort. Depende
Oo.
sa drive. Tama?
Yes.
So in 2 to 3 years time, nakikita ko ang sarili highly successful, and many of my leaders are also very successful.
Yes.
Yan.
Excited ako dyan. Masaya ka dyan. Ayun. O, diba? So, ito, yung next question naman natin is, as a business owner yourself, ngayon ha, ano yung kaibahan ng pagiging traditional business owner sa network marketing business leader?
Okay. Yung
Experience.
yung kaibahan,
Yeah.
Yung kaibahan, nabubulol ako. Yung kaibahan. Pero before natin ma-appreciate kasi ang kaibahan, we must know yung similarities muna. Ano ang similarities? Both of them are businesses.
Yes.
Negosyo. Simple distillation, what is the meaning of a business is meron kang nilabas na piso at may bumalik na dos.
Mm-mm.
Tama, di ba?
Yes.
Na pumuhunan ka, hoping na yung puhunan mo doble. Tama? So, kasi ang traditional business, nag-invest din tayo ng malaki to buy the machines, to buy the to buy the resources, okay? Para makaprint tayo, mga t-shirts, ganon. Hindi lang nag-invest, umutang pa, nagkautang-utang pa. Okay? Now, dito naman sa Weevolve, sa network marketing, it's also a business. Meron ding talagang kapital. Okay? So that's the similarity. Again, the similarity is kung gagawin mo ang negosyo mo, kikita ka. Gagawin mo ang network marketing, kikita ka.
Kikita ka.
Tama? Exactly. Now, ano ang mga differences? Now, differences is ito, talaga, sometimes painful realization ito, na na-appreciate ko ang network marketing, is sa network marketing, wala kang iisipin na bills.
Totoo.
Wala kang iisipin na bills. As a traditional businessman, okay, lalo na sa printing business, okay, always mong isipin na meron kang sinasahurang tao. Meron akong employees, okay? Meron akong graphic designer, meron akong technical, meron akong marketer, and then meron ding all around, meron ng mga nagde-deliver, okay? As a digital business, digital printing business, okay? Hindi lang sinasahuran mo ang tao. Meron din yung lights, meron pa yung rent, meron pa yung water, and then meron pa yung tawag dito? Maintenance, okay? And then also you have to have a budget for expansion. Kasi hindi naman na tawag nito, always ganito lang ang setup. Gusto mo rin na mag-expand, di ba? Na maraming branches. So you have to set aside a portion of your income para sa expansion. And then yung sabi mo, Director Rosie, yung maintenance, because machines break down. Okay? Wala kang choice niyan. Machines will break down. Yung printer mo will need ink, will need maintenance. Okay? And then sometimes buong printer talaga ang masira. Very, very painful. Okay? Now, yun ang sa traditional business. Sa network marketing, wala kang isip. Walang ganon. Bakit? Kasi yung sahod, sabihin na lang yung sahod, sinong pasasahuran mo? Kung gagawin nila ang network marketing, yung mga leaders mo, sino ba ang magbibigay sa kanila ng commission? Ikaw o yung company?
Si company.
Si company. So wala, hindi mo yun scope, hindi mo sakop yung responsibility na yon. Yung mga bills, maybe kung sa bahay ka lang, pwede. But it's on a personal level na. Personal level mo, hindi, kasi dito, kung sa network marketing, kung saan ka, punta ka dun sa let's just say, sa office, hindi mo naman babayaran yung rent ng office. Hindi mo naman babayaran yung light, yung water, tama? Nakitambay ka lang doon, nakikape ka lang doon, mag-invite ka lang, and nag-invite ka, mag-table talk kayo, anong mangyayari? Once yung napresenta mo ng business, nag-join, yung income mo, yung commission mo, 100% sa'yo.
Sa'yo.
Tama, di ba? So, yun
Tama.
ang na-appreciate ko sa network marketing business. Both of them is earning, okay? But you have to have fiscal responsibility pa rin. Yun, ito naman yung similarities. No matter if you earn 6 figures na income, pero ang expenses mo is 7 figures naman, walang
kita.
Useless din. Wala ding kita.
Abunado pa.
Tama. So, fiscal responsibility pa rin yan. Yung you have to know how to manage your money.
Yeah.
Okay? So yun. Both of them is earning, but the other one is marami siyang advantages, lalo na if first-time businessman ka.
Yeah.
Based on my experience kasi, from an employee na dumiretso agad sa network marketing, mahirap, pero manageable. Kasi ang pinuhunan mo is hindi naman milyon-milyon. If ever lang na nag-fail tayo, yung nawala sa akin is just yung kapital. Hindi yung milyon-milyon. Pero kung ikaw ay empleyado at nag-shift ka sa negosyo, malaki ang percentage na mag-fail ka. Because all through your professional life, ang ginagawa mo is as an employee na meron kang boss.
Oo, meron kang boss.
Tama. And then sa isang iglap, nag-shift yung mindset mo, negosyante na ako. Life does not work that way. You have to educate yourself on your business.
Step by step.
And along the way, you will have your ups and downs. Okay? At yung traditional business, let me tell you, walang traditional business na ang puhunan lang is 9,500.
Yeah.
Wala. Sa akin, isang printer lang yan. Isang printer lang yan, ang 9,500. Now, kung yan ang mangyayari, empleyado ka, hahanap ka ng milyon-milyon para maging traditional business, and then malaki pang percentage na mag-fail kasi you have not the right mindset, and then yung oras mo is hindi pa ganun ka-focus kasi nag-uumpisa pa lang talaga, marami ka pang iniisip, you're doomed to fail. Kaya nga, yung mga highly successful businessman, hindi lang isang negosyo lang meron sila. Kung kakausapin mo sila, marami silang na-set up na nag-fail. And every failure, before yung success, and every failure represents millions or thousands of lost capital.
Losses, yeah.
Oo.
Totoo yan.
Pero kung ikaw empleyado and then you want to do the business, ang mangyayari niyan is you just have to educate yourself on a part-time basis. Okay? Kasi from 8 to 5, trabaho ka. Mindset mo, meron akong boss. I will have to make my boss happy. I have to be right on time. Pero after that, after ng trabaho mo, hindi na makikialam yung boss mo, anong gagawin mo. It's yours na. Tama, di ba? So gawin mo na naman ang network marketing.
Yes.
Anong pinuhunan mo? 9,500. Tama? If
meron kang ginawa at nag-fail at hindi siya nag-click. Worst case scenario lang. Anong nawala sa'yo? 9.5.
Fine.
Tama?
Mm-mm.
Pero pag nag-succeed ka naman, as many has already succeeded, anong pwedeng mangyari sa'yo? Maging milyonaryo ka.
Yes.
Tama? Again, isa na naman, mahirap maging mahirap. Tama? Ano yung saying na yun? Mahirap maging mahirap. So, saan mo gustong maghirap? Sa iyong ikakahirap or sa iyong ikakayaman? Tama? Okay, so the way to financial success kasi is through business. Proven time and time again. Okay? Walang naging milyonaryo sa pagiging empleyado lamang. So, shift ka sa business. Pero kung gusto mo, alam mo yung anong bike? Hindi naman lahat ng tao marunong mag-bike. Tama? Minsan, para maging expert ka mag-bike, kailangan mo ng training wheels. Yung mga gulong na maliliit. Dalawang gulong. Tama? So mag-bike ka muna. You have to have training muna. And then as time goes on, alam mo na paano pwede nang tanggalin ang training wheels. Okay? So ganito din sa mga tao, individual na gustong mag-negosyo. Okay? Do network marketing because it will serve as your training ground na maging o graduate ka sa mga mas malalaki pang mga negosyo.
Yes.
Nakuha na natin? Because, Director Rosie, may negosyo ka, wala?
Meron.
Meron.
Yes.
Meron akong negosyo. Pero saan natin na gamit yung skills natin na mag-manage ng traditional business? Sa network marketing.
Sa network marketing.
Saan natin nalaman paano mag-handle ng mga tao emotionally sa network marketing? Paano natin nalaman paano mag-manage ng pera? Sa network marketing. Nakuha natin.
Yes.
So, ganun lang po.
Parang feeling ko nagtutraining ka na.
Hindi.
Wala na eh. Kasi parang yung pang 6 and 7 question, dineliver mo na siya lahat. Parang, okay, nagtutraining na to.
Point.
Pero ayan, lumalabas yung mga mga tao na tulungan mo, Diana. Even DJ, ikaw yung naging mentor niya, trainer niya since 2013. Okay, so yan. Si Donita from Japan. Donita, diba? Ito na pang 6th question na tayo kasi overtime na tayo. 8:01
sorry.
na overtime na tayo. So ito pang 6th question. Anong masasabi mo sa mga ayaw na sa network marketing? Anong advice mo sa kanila for them to try again? Pero parang sinabi mo na yan kanina, pero sabihin mo na din ulit.
Okay. Sa mga ayaw sa network marketing, I'm sure merong mga personal experiences nila na nasabi nila na ayaw na nila sa network marketing. And I do respect that kind of thought because at one point in time, yun din ang naisip din natin.
Yeah.
Why? Because of the challenges that comes with this kind of business. Sabi nga, marami talagang challenges dito. Okay? Pero kung mahirap gawin ito, saan mo nga talaga gusto maghirap? Sa iyong ikakahirap o sa iyong ikakayaman? Okay? So, ang advice ko sa kanila, okay, if you must, rest. Rest ka. If you must, rest ka. Pero darating talaga ang panahon that you will miss this kind of business. Okay? Not only the excitement, yung ano na lang tayo, prangkahan na lang talaga, prangkahan. You will miss the income.
Yes.
You will miss the income with this kind of business. Okay?
Yes.
Kasi kikita ka talaga ng malaki. Kikita ka talaga ng malaki. And even though meron na tayong ginagawa as of now, as of the moment, maybe nag-aaral ka, network marketer ka dati, pero maybe ngayon nag-undergo ka ng professional enhancement, maybe meron ka na ring traditional business na hinahandle ngayon, or maybe you're on a personal level, you're doing something na ikaka-busy mo, and then you say to yourself na I'm very negative na sa network marketing. Rest if you must. Kasi hindi naman tayo mga robot. Okay? Kailanman malulubat talaga tayo. Okay? Pero tingnan mo lang din yung mga, huwag mong isipin yung mga low points in your network marketing journey na nag-focus ka lang sa mga problema dati. Tingnan mo yung mga point ng journey mo na naging happy ka, na nakatulong ka, na meron kang napaaral, na meron kang nabayaran, na meron kang yung financial responsibility mo na tulungan. Yun ang tingnan mo. Tama? Tingnan mo. And then, you will come to realize na even ganun ang nangyari sa'yo, marami palang positive din na nangyari. If you dwell with that, yun ang tingnan mo, yung mga happy experience mo sa network marketing, I assure you, mamimiss at babalik ka rin.
Yes, totoo yan.
Oo.
Nakakamiss yung yung natutulog ka, pagkising mo, ay, may cash na
Tawa.
Mabiyahe ka, nagda-drive tayo noon, tapos pag-check mo sa account mo, ay, nag-gain cash na naman ako. Tapos,
Exactly.
pagbigay sa'yo ng bill ng waiter, ay, magbabayad ako ng 10,000, pero pag-check mo sa account mo, ay, may pumasok 50, tapos, di ba? Nakakamiss yung gano'n.
Exactly.
Hindi natin ma-experience kasi yan sa sa traditional business. Kasi sa traditional business, kumbaga, lahat nakasulat. Magkano papasok today, magkano lalabas, lahat, di ba? Yeah.
May
So,
lahat ng pumapasok na pera allocated na.
Yeah.
Mayroon na tong saan ko pang pupunta.
Oo.
Yes.
Okay, that was a very nice parang sarap balikan at saka sarap na
Exactly,
babalik tayo dyan. Okay. At eto na, our last question. Hindi naman siya
Okay,
question, it's a message. I want you to give a inspirational message to our viewers, especially sa mga members na and sa mga hindi pa members. Ayan. Ano yung message mo sa
Yung simple message lang, nakuha ko lang sa principle lang talaga, the principle of leverage. Multiplying yourself, multiplying your time, your effort, your resources, sa time at effort ng ibang tao. Yun ang natutunan ko, yung core principle ng network marketing. Yung you can achieve financial success. Yung financial success, and maybe yung financial success will vary from person to person. Maybe yung financial success ng isang tao is kumita ng 5 million pesos, pero yung isa, yung financial success for them is nakabili nabuo yung pamilya niya, and because meron ng pera, hindi na siya mamroblema when it comes sa pera, maybe yun sa kanila ang financial success. Pero achieving financial success is just a matter, okay? It's just a matter of leading a large group of people. You lead a large group of people. Of course, large group of people will start small group of people. Tama? Lead a large group of people, encourage them, train them, motivate them to do the simple things needed sa business. What is it? Mag-invite, mag-present, etc. Those are just simple skills na matutunan. Anyone can learn those things, okay? Over a sustained period of time. Hindi lang 1 year, hindi lang 2 years, but over a sustained period of time. Again, simple matter of leading a large group of people, okay, over as doing repeatedly a simple task that is required sa business, sa network marketing, over a sustained period of time. And you will achieve financial success. Exactly that kind of principle nasa network marketing.
Yes. Nag-training na nga tayo. Hindi ito interview. Training ito. Alright, so are you guys learning? Sabi ni Franz, tama Nakarelate si Franz. Okay, so grabe. Parang, while listening to you, para ako nag-attend ulit ng training. Na parang, I miss this man. I missed you. I missed yung the way you mentored us, the way you talk, your expressions, the way you lead. Na-miss ko yun. And I'm excited to see that again here, no, dito sa
Yes.
We Evolve. Excited ako sa mga kusang palong lalabas from you because hindi ka naman yung disusing leader eh. Hindi ikaw yung leader na kailangang susian para gumalaw. I know you. I know you. And I know maganda yung magiging samahan natin dito at hindi lang siya maganda kundi masaya. Kasi sabi ko nga
Masaya.
kanina sa atin, mas nagtatagal tayo kapag masaya. No matter how challenging it is, kapag nakikita pa din natin yung saya, what I'm always saying, di ba, choose happiness, happiness is a choice, baga, piliin mo maging masaya, lagi akong ganon. Minsan mo lang akong makita ang umiyak, minsan mo lang akong makita ang malungkot, laging kahit gaano kadilim, parang nagliliwanag pa rin ang aking ngiti. Kasi I want to stay happy no matter how negative the situation is. Kasi it's a choice. Huwag tayo
Exactly.
maging pabigat or wag tayo maging
Exactly.
cause ng kadiliman ng buhay ng iba. So, so with you, sabi ko na nga ba, pag magkasama tayo, tawa lang tayo ng tawa. Okay? So with you, masaya tayo at marami pa tayong pagsasamahan pa. Sabi ni Blenny, thank you Upline, Rosie, and Upcliff. Okay? At
Looking
marinig
forward.
din natin sila. Actually, this coming Friday, we will be hearing their story also of why they joined.
Looking
Evolve.
forward. Looking
I'm
forward.
excited din for that kasi this couple is a very good person. Parang I feel like na-attract ko yung mga mabubuting tao kasi sabi ko if I will do network marketing again to lessen para mas mabawasan yung sakit kasi may mga pain yan eh. May mga pains. Mas gusto kong kasama yung mga taong sasamahan ako sa hirap at ginhawa. Hindi yung puro lang sa sarap. Kasi sabi nga ni Donita, missing those times nakikita ko kayo sa harap na maraming tao, born to be entrepreneur, jud mong tulo. Kaka-inspired, Kuya DJ, Ate Rose, Kuya Cliff, sinabi na lahat. Thank you, Don. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
At
thank
isa
you.
ka sa ititrain namin to become a great, successful leader in Japan. Ayan, I declare.
What comes first sa isipan talaga is yung sinasabi ng mentor natin, tuloy-tuloy lang. Yun lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, guys.
Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, guys. Pero ako, may bago ako ngayon. May
Ano
bago
yun?
ako
Ano
ngayon.
yun?
Nasa likod mo. Faith
Ha?
over fear.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
Faith over
So,
fear.
yung journey natin sa mga distributors, sa mga papasok pa lang, sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-join, ang journey natin dito sa network marketing, dito sa We Evolve, is something different sa mga nakasanayan natin. This is a journey of somehow what we call unknown kasi hindi natin alam. Nagtitiwala lang tayo sa mga mentors natin, nagtitiwala lang tayo sa may-ari, nagtitiwala lang tayo sa mga sinasabi nila. Somehow, this is unknown at magkakaroon tayo ng takot, baka mangyari sa akin hindi maganda. But just believe, have faith, kasi ako'y naniniwala, or marami ang naniniwala na hindi aksidente na nandito ka ngayon, hindi aksidente na nakilala mo yung Evolve, hindi aksidente na napanood mo yung video na to. Everything has a reason, and that reason somehow is helpful sa buhay mo. Alright? May tanong. May tanong po ako, active pa din po ba yung membership ko? Years na po kasi ako hindi nakapag-update. Hi, Asay Paharoha. Yeah, kung sa version 1 pa yung membership mo, yes, it's still active. Pero para kumita ka sa version 2, you have to upgrade it. Yun, you have to upgrade it to version 2. You may contact your sponsor. Kung hindi na siya active, you may message us in our page or pwede ka din mag-message sa amin directly. So, yung mga existing version 1 natin, pwede pa din po kayo sa version 2. Wala pong problema. Alright, so thank you so much, Coach Clip, Upline. Maraming salamat.
Yeah.
And of course, thank you so much, Miss Tin, sa ating, we'll give also the recognition to our very mabait at grabe talaga ang sacrifice na technical support team natin na si Miss Tin. Thank you so much, Miss Tin. Kahit hindi ka nila nakikita dito, nararamdaman ka po namin. Isang malaking malakas na palakpak lang, ramdam ka na namin, Miss Tin. Thank you so much. And of course, we will be closing this episode with a prayer. Thank you so much, everyone.
God bless. God bless everyone.
Hi, Sheila. Mwah. Hello. Bye-bye.
As we end